Information Technology or ICT. The ICT strand is one of the strands offered under Technical Vocational Livelihood or TVL track of K-12 curriculum. It seeks to teach students concepts and skills of information technology. Under K-12 strand, students will learn how to write programs and design websites.
In the ICT strand, you'll learn the skill you need to succeed in digital age. You'll learn how to encode, design, and problem solve. You'll also develop a strong communication and a teamwork skill.
With an ICT degree, you can pursue a wide range of careers from software engineering to web development and to cybersecurity.
Here in ICT, you'll get hands-on experience, develop critical thinking skills, and build a strong foundation for a successful career.
Kaya, ano pang hinihintay nyo mag-enroll na sa ICT?
Join the ICT strand and discover your passion for technologies.
May iba't ibang uri ng ICT student. Siyempre, hindi dyan mawawala yung mga gamer. MLS Lite kasi nakakonect sa Wi-Fi. Meron ding ICT student na sporty, yung ginagawang court yung classroom. Hindi din mawawala yung mga emo na nerd. Sila yung tipong nasa gilid lang at hindi nagsasalita. Nandyan din yung ICT student na matalino. Sila yung palong-palong gumawa ng activities. At may ICT student din na laging late na akala mo VIP sa school.